Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sweet Tech Planet. Today we're going to be unboxing Apple's latest and most powerful laptop, the MacBook Pro. So, let's get started. So, this is the box. On the front is a picture of the actual MacBook. And then on the front and the sides, it says MacBook Pro. So this is the top cover, and then you pull it up to reveal the actual MacBook. I feel like I'm really invested in the Apple ecosystem now. Like, I'm starting to get to, because now I have the iPhone, and I'm getting the MacBook, and eventually I'll get, like, the Apple Watch or AirPods or something like that. So I feel like Apple's marketing skills and the Apple ecosystem is really working. I mean, I used to be a Windows person, but I switched over to the MacBook. Okay, so whenever you open up, there's the MacBook. And then this is just some paperwork, and obviously there's the MacBook stickers in here, or the Apple stickers. This is the 60 watt-hour charger. It's a big charger, but it's USB-C, so I don't think I can charge my phone unless I get an adapter cable. So here's that. And then this is the 2-meter USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And I think that's it. So, I mean, it's nothing really special, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, this is the first time I'm using a MacBook. So let's open this up. It's actually pretty thin, the MacBook itself. This is the first time I'm going to see it, and y'all are going to see it at the same time. It's pretty cool. As you can see, the keyboard, the massive trackpad, the screen is already booting up. So let's see what this says until then. It says MacBook Pro. There's just some instructions and stuff, Apple stickers, and I think that's really it. This is a 13-inch Space Gray 2018 MacBook Pro. It has a gorgeous 13.3-inch backlit liquid retina display with IPS technology. The native resolution is 2560 by 1600. On the inside of the laptop, there's a 2.3 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5. This laptop has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of flash storage. On the left side, there's 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and then on the right side, there's a universal headphone jack. Also, there's a backlit keyboard and a massive trackpad. Overall, this MacBook does indeed look like an Apple product with its sleek and modern design. After I use this laptop a bit more, I'll definitely make a review on it, so stay tuned. So thank you for watching this quick little unboxing of the MacBook Pro. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that was because my final exams. But now it's summer, so I can post more often. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also subscribe to my friend's YouTube channels like The Ways. He makes awesome rap songs. And then also Violin Times. He makes awesome violin covers for popular songs. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to them. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.